Did you know one of Europe's most dangerous killers worked as a toilet cleaner for 20 years? Joachim Kroll seemed harmless, a quiet, simple man who lived with his mother in Germany. Neighbors thought he was just slow, but from 1955 to 1976, Kroll murdered at least 14 people, mostly children and young women. He kept their body parts in his freezer, next to his regular groceries. For dinner, he cooked human flesh. When police asked him why, Kroll calmly said meat was too expensive. He called his victims his dinner. Nobody suspected him for over 20 years. He hid in plain sight. The only reason he got caught? A plumber found human remains clogging the pipes in his building. Police searched his apartment and found plastic bags full of hands and feet in his freezer. Kroll's case shows how serial killers can blend into normal life. Authorities dismissed his early victims as runaways. Meanwhile, one of history's most prolific cannibals was living quietly next door.